Ready to turn your dream online store into a reality? First, head over to Shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. It's the perfect way to explore the platform without any commitment. Enter your email address, create a password, and give your store a name. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Shopify dashboard. Follow the setup guide to configure the basic settings, including your business address, payment providers like PayPal or Stripe, and shipping options to get your products delivered efficiently. Next, let's make your store visually appealing. Click on Online Store, then Themes. Browse through the free and paid themes in the Shopify theme store. Pick one that aligns with your brand and product aesthetic, then click Customize to tailor it to your liking by changing colors, fonts, and adding your logo. Now, let's add your products. Click Products, then add product. Fill in the product title, a detailed description, and upload high-quality images. Set your pricing, inventory, and shipping details accurately. Consider adding variations like size or color. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps towards launching your own Shopify store. Remember to keep refining your store, marketing your products, and engaging with your customers. Good luck on your e-commerce journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.